Hello, in this video lecture series, we are going to discuss out about internal architecture and programming structure of 8051 microcontroller. So here now we are going to discuss out about introduction to microcontrollers family. As we have seen in a previous discussion, when we compare a microprocessor with that of 8051 microcontroller, in case of 8085 microprocessor, some basic components like internal memory and inbuilt ports are absent, whereas in case of microcontroller, internal memory as well as internal GPIO, that is general purpose input output port pins are present. So now we are going to discuss out about the basic features, the different ICs as well as its architecture in this discussion. So when we are going to talk about 8051 microcontroller, the 8051 microcontroller is basically introduced by Intel Corporation in 1981. It is an 8-bit controller in the sense these 8051 microcontrollers or the associated family members are capable to process 8-bit data simultaneously with the help of internal data carrying bus. So when we talk about its basic features, the 8051 microcontroller has 128 byte RAM, 4 KB ROM. Then to support the timer or counter operation, two dedicated timer sections. For serial communication, one serial port followed with four inbuilt GPIO. So total four general purpose input output ports are associated with 8051 microcontroller, and each of these ports are 8-bit wide. So let us discuss it in detail again. So in case of 8051 microcontroller, inbuilt memory is present. So the RAM, that is random access memory, is 128 byte. The read-only memory, that is 4 KB ROM, is present. To support timer activity, two timers. For serial communication, one serial port, and total four general purpose input output ports, and each port is basically 8-bit wide. So when we talk about some basic microcontroller family members, then these three ICs are come into a picture. 8051, a conventional microcontroller, 8052 and 8031, a basic microcontroller. So when we compare all these three versions of microcontroller on the ROM, that means on chip program space, in case of 8051 microcontroller, 4 KB memory is present. In case of 8052, 8 KB space is available, that means 8 KB memory is present, whereas the internal inbuilt ROM is absent in case of 8031. And whatever this available memory is there, this memory is basically a 8-bit byte. Each of the section or each of the slot associated with this internal RAM, which is 4 KB in 8051 and 8 KB in 8052, is having the 8-bit capacity. The second one, the RAM, in case of 8051, 128 byte RAM is present. In case of 8052, 256 byte, whereas in case of 8031, total 128 byte RAM is available. Total timer sections, in case of 8051, two timer sections. In case of 8052, three timer sections, and in case of 8031, only two timer sections are available. The one thing is common, that is input output port pins. So as we have discussed earlier, in case of all of these microcontrollers, it may be 8051, 8052 or 8031, total 4 ports are present and each of these 4 port is 8-bit wide, and that's why 8 multiplied with 4, so total 32 pins are available as general purpose input output in case of 8051 microcontroller, in case of 8052 microcontroller, as well as in case of 8031 microcontroller. So all of these possess one serial port. In case of 8051 and 8031, 6 interrupt sources are present, whereas in case of 8052, total 8 interrupt sources are available. So this is a brief comparison of different microcontroller family members. Thank you.